पराठा बनाया खुद अपने हाथों से। तो इसको अभी कैसे फ्राई करेंगे वही मैं आपको अभी दिखाऊंगा। तो एट फर्स्ट आई टेक ए हॉट पैन, टेक इट एंड to bake. I have to bake it. Okay. After baking it, I will pour a ghee to fry. So I bake it at one side. So I am an artist, 3D artist. So every artist should know how to cook. So what to do now? Take a ghee. Only ghee you should use. Spread it on the surface and flip it, and this is okay, ready to eat. This side, and you see this side. So in this video I am coming soon with a lots of blender tutorial.